Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back in the third video in which we are going to cover the third numerical based on the functions. So let us start. If f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x, show that f of x is equal to x. A point to be noted that whenever we get an answer x, that function is also called as identity function. So let us start with the sum. So here this sum is again identical to the last sum. So that f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. So we'll go step by step. We have f of x, then we'll find f of x, and then we'll find the third function. So we have f of x, we'll go for f of x. Because all the three we cannot find in one step, so we'll go for f of x. So f as it is, what is f of x? 1 upon 1 minus x. Now similarly we'll substitute 1 upon 1 minus x in terms of x for the function f of x. So we have f of x here, 1 as it is, again 1 minus x will be 1 upon 1 minus x. So the procedure remains same. We have a denominator 1. We'll solve this fraction by cross multiplying the numerator, and for denominator we'll take their products. So here we'll get 1 into 1 minus x, that is 1 minus x, minus 1 into 1 will be 1 itself, upon 1 into 1 minus x is 1 minus x. So here 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. We'll get minus x 1 upon minus x upon 1 minus x. Now let us see the next step. So the previous step was 1 upon minus x upon 1 minus x. That was f of x. So the numerator will be directly 1 minus x. This will come to numerator. The denominator will be minus x. If we take minus sign common from the numerator itself, the numerator will be minus x will become plus x, and plus 1 will become minus 1 upon minus x. So minus will be cancelled. We'll get f of x as x minus 1 upon x. Now this part we have done in the previous video also. Further we'll continue with f of x. How to solve this? Again, keep the last f as it is. If you check this value is already the one which is the previous step. So f of x is nothing but x minus 1 upon x. Now how to find f of x minus 1 upon x? We have f of x. What is f of x? It is 1 upon 1 minus x. Just substitute x as x minus 1 upon x in the function f of x. So let us start. So f of x was f of x minus 1 upon x, and our original function f of x was 1 upon 1 minus x. Again this part x will be replaced by x minus 1 upon x. So 1 as it is upon 1 as it is minus, here comes the x. So for that x we will write x minus 1 upon x. Now this term includes two terms and there is a minus sign outside, so we'll use brackets. Again 1 upon, here the denominator is 1, so simply we'll cross multiply. So 1 into x is x, minus x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 itself, upon 1 into x is x. Further solving, this x will come in the numerator, so this is x, upon x minus, so this will become minus x, and minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. So x minus x will be cancelled. The remaining part is x upon 1. So x upon 1 is nothing but x, and that is what we need. So this is our RHS. So here the sum is proved. I hope friends you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.